Hello Marcos, how you doing? This is Isaac here, Riviera Beach Marina. Let me show you what I got going on over here. I'm doing the project right now, engine room. It's a 45 Buddy Davis, nice little boat. Engine room, you know, needs its work. And so basically, I'm crawling around the bilges. And I'm just doing a once over on it, you know. It's not a full-blown paint job, but I'm gonna blend everything in real nice, you know, address all the rust and stuff, you know, stuff like that. Anyway, hope all's well with you and your family. And I'm gonna be wrapping things up this week. By Monday, I'm gonna be done with the boat. So if you need anything, if your project's coming along and you need anything, reach out to me, okay? What's up, Marcos?